Good morning. I'm going on vacation at the end of this week, so I am going to make sure I have this up and, ready for you guys. So hopefully there isn't a gap in activity from me. My plan is to do something fairly simple for this video so I can make sure I get it done and uploaded and set. So here's the vision of what I want to do. A little dress. Something easy, something cute. And hopefully I can wear this when I go on my trip. I'm gonna have to do like the smallest bit of math for this dress, but other than that, this is gonna be a fairly straightforward project. I have my fabric, I have my measuring tapes, I have my invisible ink pen. Yeah, I think I have everything I need to make this. So we are going to get started on that and have fun, I guess. Okay, so to get this dress started, we're going to take some measurements. The bulk of the measurements are all going to be on the bust area in the top part. We're not worried about the skirt. We're not going to be worried about the skirt and how big we cut a rectangle yet. So for my vision, I need to get that line and then this line here, and I'll probably be adding a dart, so as long as it goes down long enough. I mean, I might not even need a dart in this dress. I think I'm not going to worry about darts. We're just going to go this little shape. What shape is that? Is that a trapezoid? A rhombus? I forgot all my shapes. Okay. We're going to make that shape. We're going to measure it out. I've got my glitter pen to write notes. I'm going to use my dress form for this. I've told you before, slightly too big, but not that big of an issue for me. So let's start with a bust measurement. We'll go halfway. So I know from buying vintage clothing that this is a full inch too big for me, and that a good fit on me is from armpit to armpit is 16 inches. So I will put down 16 inches plus an inch. That way I have half an inch on either side. So as long as I'm looking at this this dress form as my size, including the seam allowance, I should be okay. So let me write some stuff down. So my notes now look like this. You can kind of see my notes. I have marked off the parts that are important, so where I need to know my measurements. And I guess now I'm going to start cutting some fabric. I was looking at the fabric I'm using for this, and it's a very transparent fabric, so I'm going to cut in total 4 pieces for my the top part, the blouse part of this dress, and double that up so it's less see-through and I don't have to worry about underwear and stuff showing through. So let's start doing that. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, I have this loosely pinned up on my dress form. I really like this cut for like a dress top. I think it's awfully cute, awfully simple, awfully nice. So what's going to happen is I'm going to get like a couple little straps at these 2 points, which match up with these 2 points. And this is going to sit lower on the back than the front will sit on your chest. So it's going to be like a high neckline with a low back. And I think that's awfully cute. So, plan for now. Sew this. At least get the straps and arms and whatnot situated so I don't have to worry about that. I think I'm going to do ties because that'll be easier and a bit more, you know, free for interpretation and how I'm feeling at any given day. You know, how saucy do I feel today? Type of deal. And then we're gonna leave the bottom unsewn together. That way we can either pleat or gather the skirt right into these 2 pieces of fabric. And that'll be really nice, I think. So let's get to it. First, I'm going to cut up a couple bits of fabric for the straps, and then we're going to sew. Also, if you've noticed, I've been using my pinking shears for this. This is a very fine, delicate fabric that I think frays pretty easily. So pinking shears will help keep it from fraying too badly. Okay, let's get some straps done. Okay, so I've got the top bit done. I think it's awfully cute. You can't see through it, which is so good. So, little double layer. Good idea on my part. I think this is awfully cute as is, like as a little top. Oh, so cute. But I really want this to be a dress, so I'm going to start working on my skirt. And I thought about adding loops, so I left a little flap here so I could attach them easier, but I might just add ties. And because I have these little gaps right in here, I can just sandwich the ties right in there. And I think I'll do a smaller one. So it's just a little bit, you know, nothing big, nothing fancy, nothing hardcore like I like to do sometimes. If you've watched enough of my videos, you know I tend to bite off way more than I can chew sometimes. So, cute. I'm happy with this. I am going to get started on the skirt now. Well, I'm all done with this dress. It didn't take me very long, a few hours, honestly. the most time-consuming part was just the bodice bit, and that's because I had to do some math. The skirt was easy. Literally 2 rectangles that I pleated into my bodice bit. A couple ties. I changed my mind on these straps and I just made them straps instead of ties. I think this is a very cute dress. It's a little more see-through than I'm comfortable with, but it's okay because I have slips, I have half slips. I got all the cool stuff that I need for something like this. And I don't know, I really like it. I'm really happy with it. I think it's kind of giving wedding dress, but I think I can get away with wearing this throughout the spring and summer as just a nice light cotton dress. And no one's gonna just automatically go, oh, that's a wedding dress. Hi. Amadeus likes this very much. He was hiding under my fabric. It was very cute. Yeah. I got a dress done. So, I might be a little late with my next video, and that one's gonna be a little different than what I normally do. So, sorry? I don't know. You know, I've got a trip planned. I deserve to not worry about this. So, I'm gonna get this up for you guys to have and watch and see and talk about, I guess, and then, I don't know, you'll see the new one when I get home from my trip. And if you enjoy watching me craft or attempt to craft with cats and other little critters, consider subscribing or leaving a comment or a like, and I'll see you in the next one, I guess.